The INF file type contains instructions for installing drivers. You don't double-click it. You usually right-click it and select Install to load the driver into Windows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let me show you. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single robust INF file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. An INF file, short for driver setup, is a text-based file used by the Windows operating system to install and configure hardware drivers. It contains information about the hardware device, the files needed for the driver, and instructions on how to install them. INF files are essential for enabling communication between the operating system and hardware components. INF files follow a specific syntax and structure defined by Microsoft. They are organized into sections, each containing directives and parameters that control the installation process. The file specifies the driver files to be copied, registry entries to be created, and other configuration settings. Incorrectly formatted INF files can lead to driver installation failures. The INF format has primary linkage to the Windows operating system application by Microsoft. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows provides minimal validation, so incorrect edits can break application behavior. To bypass the file format error, right-click the INF file and choose Open With. Prioritize Windows operating system if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file claim. When your INF file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Since this INF is a niche format, we can't assume a simple fix. Don't worry, we'll quickly check these key details to find where the error lies. First, use Text Editor. Open the file using any text editor, Notepad, to view the plain text configuration directives. Next, use right-click Install. The file is used to install drivers. Right-click the INF file and select Install to run the installation routine. Finally, check File Path. Ensure all associated driver files referenced in the INF file are present in the same directory. When every program rejects your INF file, it is often a victim of naming overlap where multiple proprietary formats share the same extension. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. I strongly endorse FileMagick for its advanced features. Its ability to instantly inspect and display content, even if the INF file has a corrupted header, is unmatched. Download it at filemagick.com. This solution is designed for maximum speed. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.